Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 12. Question number 12 is find the measure of angle P and angle S if SP is parallel to RQ in figure 3.34. If you find measure of angle R, is there for one method to find measure of angle P? Let us solve this in this way. That is SP is parallel to RQ. SP is parallel to RQ. SP is parallel to RQ. Here angle R and angle S are on the same side of the transversal, are on the same side of the transversal, Therefore we can write that angle R plus angle S is equal to 180 degree, because angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Here angle R is given as 90 degree, therefore 90 degree plus angle S is equal to 180 degree, or angle S is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, therefore angle S is equal to 90 degree. Also angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree, because angle P and angle Q are also on the same side of the transversal. Therefore we can say that angle P plus angle Q is 130 degree is equal to 180 degree, or angle P is equal to 180 degree, angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, that is angle P is equal to 50 degree, right? Is there, if you find measure of angle R, is there one method to find measure of angle P? Yes, there is one more method to find angle P. That is, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is angle S plus angle R plus angle Q plus angle P is equal to 360 degree. Or angle S is, we find 90 degree, plus angle R is also 90 degree, plus angle Q is 130 degree, plus angle P is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. 360 degree. 60 degree. Therefore, angle P is equal to 360 degree minus 90 plus 90, 180 plus 130, 0, 310 degree. That is 310 degree. 310 degree. Therefore, angle P angle P is equal to 50 degree. 50 degree. In this method also we can find the measure of angle P. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.